So glad to have you join us again. It's Business Breakfast on iBrand Television. Let's take a quick look at what's playing out at the Nigerian capital market. Let's see what played out last week and what projections should you be expecting from the midweek trading activities at the NGX. Quickly, let's tell you that the Nigerian stock investors lost about 849 billion naira on Tuesday, furthering its negative trend by 1.50% ahead of Treasury bills action. The oil share index and market capitalization decreased further from preceding days, 103.559 basis points and 56.72 trillion naira respectively. Now, consequently, the month-to-date and year-to-date returns declined to 0.9% and 36.6%. However, Jais Bank, Universal Insurance, and Japan Gold, GT Coal, and FBN Holdings were actively traded stocks as investors in 11,761 deals on Tuesday, exchanged hence at the exchange. Ambrose Omojo, my very good friend, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting Limited, joins me now live virtually to do some analysis of these figures. Ambrose, good morning. It's a pleasure having you join me again on the program.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Ambrose, you've seen what played out at the exchange yesterday, another negative trend. What is your sentiment, or what would you say are the sentiment, the fundamentals responsible for all of this?
Yeah, you remember I said it on Monday that we're going to see another
This market, very true, yes.
Yes, for the past 2 trading days now, the market in a pullback, meaning that traders and investors in the market are catching up. We are again from almost 39.5% market recorded in the month of January. For that, I'm not surprised that the market pulling back. The only thing that investors should really be concerned is that, as the market is pulling back, where will it be in what we call the support level that will expect this market to rebound? Any market anywhere in the world has to oscillate. And probably taking a market up and down is part of the dynamics of the market anywhere we are playing. Seeing it coming down is not so bad because market have rallied. That means for that investor, what we do or trader, we wait to see where the market will stabilize and start buying it. I can tell you that there are 4 phases of the market: the accumulation phase, the markup, distribution, and pullback, which is that the decline. That is what we are seeing. And also the market has not really break out from the long run, the long-term bullish trend that has been there. Only the break now called the trend has already touched the other way is there because market has been overbought region for a long time. Coming back down now is all the market will go oversold region that will trigger another buying trend. This correction is part of the market. For me, there's no cause for now. And also, the NCD is closer. We're going to enter into what we call dividend season. We are corporate with corporate earnings will be coming, and then they are announcing their corporate action based on dividends or bonus. This also will be another trigger going to the future. What will be that all eyes are still on the NCD meeting. But today, being another KDB summer market auction, what will be the top rate? Because we know that last one, the last auction, was only receiving from to put at 5% and 7.1% and also 11.45%. This for different tenor. For me, this is what our eyes are today is to see to show if this body language or speaking of the chairman of FCC meeting, which is the governor, that they're likely to increase this for the next 2 quarters. Once we see the hike that was expected to come towards the end of the month, that will also see where will the physical market be and where will the dividend yield in the equity market also be. That will now see where investors will be looking at to take advantage of the market, because I tell you, as far as inflation is also on the rise, most of the physical market seem to be returning negative return. It's not clear adjustment in the risk up or down. That will also be another plus for equity market. But it depends on what markets are declaring and dividends and where their price is not declining back into the market. Because if we enter into the market to achieve a good dividend yield, that will also be another trigger for companies coming back to equity market. For me, it's just more looking for where there is better and higher returns.
All right, before I let you go now, what is your projection for today's trading activities midweek? Are you optimistic or likely see the market rebound slightly today?
Well, I likely see a flat market because actually the high capital that pulled down the market yesterday, the market lost 1.5%. It's already not in green marginally. That has put the market, as we speak now, into a light green or a flat position. If that stock maintains that momentum, it might be flat. If another high capital is going to get a bit of profit taking in that stock, it will also put the market towards in the red again. But I tell you, the signal that trend has changed. It's now done on investors to know how to play the market because I tell you that you don't catch a falling knife. A pullback is where you look at where the support level is. Well, when you are buying a dollar pulling back or market that is coming down, you are buying at the wrong time. You have to wait for where you get the support level to jump in. That's where you can actually situation to look at the uptrend to start coming up again. So you must understand the market cycle anytime you are entering. Whether we are the bull, in the year, or we are in what in our accumulation to be more understand all this as a trader or investor.
All right, then we'll leave it at that. I'd like to say a big thank you to you, Ambrose Omodio, for your time with me on the show today. And hopefully have you join me again on the studio live on Friday. Thank you so much for your time, Ambrose Omodio.
Thanks for having me.
All right, folks, let's shift focus now to our first conversation segment of the program. That's what's coming up. Defined pressure by leaders of the Economic Community of West African states, that's ECOWAS, to restore constitutional rule. Junta leaders of Niger, Mali, and Burkina Faso 2 weeks ago announced that they are quitting the regional bloc. The big question now is what will be the security and economic implication of this move on the region and Nigeria in particular. And finally, crude oil prices in the international market edge higher for a third straight day today after industry data showed that the U.S. oil stocks grew less than expected and the U.S. sharply quoted forecast for the country's oil output growth, easing concerns about potential oversupply. Let's get talking after this time out. Please stay with us.